The BMW S1000R is a high-performance motorcycle that is designed to deliver an exciting and thrilling ride. It is equipped with a 4-stroke, inline 4-cylinder engine that produces plenty of power and torque. The suspension system on the S1000R consists of an upside-down telescopic fork at the front and a monoshock absorber at the rear, both of which have adjustable compression, spring preload, and rebound stages. This allows for excellent stability and handling, allowing the rider to push the limits of the motorcycle on winding roads. The S1000R also comes with top-of-the-line braking components, including a double-disc brake system at the front with 320mm diameter discs and 4-piston calipers, and a single disc at the rear with a 220mm diameter disc and a single-piston caliper. These brakes provide strong, reliable stopping power, giving the rider confidence to ride at high speeds. The 2023 model of the S1000R has some updates and changes compared to the 2022 model. One of the main updates is the inclusion of injection technology, which allows for better fuel efficiency and performance as the engine is able to more precisely meter the amount of fuel delivered to the combustion chamber. The suspension system on the 2023 model also has an additional adjustable compression stage, allowing for greater customization and fine-tuning of the suspension. The S1000R 2023 model also has slightly larger calipers on the front brake system compared to the 2022 model, which may result in slightly better braking performance. The S1000R 2023 model is available in a few different color options, including Bluestone Metallic, Style Basic Package, Bluestone Metallic, Style Sport Package, and a light white base paint with light blue, dark blue, and red details, M Motorsport Package. The S1000R 2023 model will be available internationally and may be imported to India via the CBU, completely built-up unit, route. It is powered by a 999 cubic centimeters engine with a maximum output of 165 horsepower. The BMW S1000R 2023 model also comes with a number of advanced features to enhance the riding experience. One such feature is the real-time tire pressure monitoring system, RTC, which is included as standard on the premium package. This system continuously monitors the pressure of the motorcycle's tires and alerts the rider if the pressure falls outside of the recommended range, helping to ensure optimal tire performance and safety. Another convenient feature of the S1000R 2023 is the ability to turn off the self-canceling turn signals, or comfort turn signals, from the bike's instrument console. This allows the rider to leave the turn signals on for as long as they desire, rather than having them automatically turn off after a certain amount of time. This can be especially useful when riding in areas with heavy traffic or in inclement weather. The S1000R 2023 has a number of features to make it easy to keep the motorcycle in top condition. For example, the motorcycle has a hydraulic clutch that requires minimal effort to operate, reducing the fatigue that can come from using a manual clutch for long periods of time. The S1000R 2023 also has a service interval display that shows the remaining distance until the next required service, helping the rider to stay on top of maintenance tasks. Overall, the BMW S1000R 2023 is a high-performance motorcycle that combines impressive performance, advanced features, and modern aesthetics. Its powerful engine, adjustable suspension system, and top-of-the-line braking components make it capable of delivering an exciting and thrilling ride, while its advanced features and maintenance-friendly design make it easy to use and maintain. Whether you are an experienced rider or a novice, the S1000R 2023 is sure to provide an enjoyable and satisfying riding experience.